Struggling to find music symbols in Word? They're hidden in a special subset. I'll show you exactly where. So here's the plan. First, we'll open the Insert menu. Then we'll go into Symbols. From there, we'll navigate to the extended characters and pick your symbol. It's a few clicks, but once you know where to look, it takes about 10 seconds. All right, let's do this together. I'm starting with a blank Word document, and the very first thing you want to do is look up at the top of your screen for the tab that says Insert. Just click that. It's right there between Home and Draw, and it opens up a whole new ribbon of options for bringing different things into your document. Now, over on the far right side of that ribbon, you're going to see a button labeled Symbols. It might just say Symbols, or it might have a little Greek letter omega icon next to it. Either way, go ahead and click on it. This is where Word keeps all the special characters that don't live on your keyboard. Once you click that, a small drop-down menu appears. At the very bottom of that drop-down, there's an option that says More Symbols. You want to click that. This opens the full Symbols dialog box, which is basically the treasure chest of everything Word can insert. And here's the really important part. Most people give up right here because they scroll through this massive list of symbols and never find music notes. That's because they're not in the default font or subset. So look at the top of this dialog box and find the drop-down that says Subset. Right now, it probably says Basic Latin or Punctuation. Click on that drop-down and scroll all the way down until you see Extended Characters, Plain 1. I want you to select that one. This is the golden ticket. Word has this hidden category that contains all sorts of things, including a whole collection of musical symbols. It took me a while to find this myself, so don't feel bad if you missed it before. Once you've changed the subset, the grid of symbols below will refresh. Now scroll through that grid until you see the option that says Musical Symbols. Click on that to highlight it. Then, right there in the bottom corner of the dialog box, you'll see an Insert button. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, your music symbol pops right into your document wherever your cursor was. You can close the dialog box now, and that's it. From frustrated searching to inserting any music symbol you need in just a few clicks, keep that extended characters trick in your back pocket, because it works for a lot of other rare symbols too. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!